really haven't thought too much about where that coffee table's going, so we're just gonna put it in the hallway for now. Step 2 is draw. I really think having a workbench like this in my space is going to positively impact my workflow and also help me get organized. I feel like once some of these things are in a specific place, I won't have to worry about them, and then my workflow will be less chaotic, and I hope I'm doing a good job explaining what exactly I'm trying to achieve. But as you can see, there's a toolbox here. Behind the camera, there's 2 toolboxes. And I need all those things in this space to create the things I do. But right now, it's a little bit chaotic and not organized. And it's time to fix that problem.